Happy.
You're gonna say hello to mommy and daddy. We're in the room.
We're inside the doctor's office.
Happy, budgie.
Happy.
Budgie.
What a baby. Oh, he knows. He's so adorable. He's just a little tired.
He's going to get his Lepro boost and something else, distemper, I think, boost.
Good boy.
Today. And a fecal test, which I have to bring back in. Make sure he's ready for his flight on August 1st. Yes. August 1st. Oh, he says I hear treats. Jesse, watch where you're videotaping.
Sorry. Sit. 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 Sit.
I forgot the Italian word for sit. Sit. Sit.
Okay, come here. He can't sit because he's going to hit his head. Sit. Go.
Good sit. Good sit. Yeah, he likes to eat.
Oh, you got the handsome fella. You handsome fella. I love his eyes.
I know, very handsome.
Got pretty eyes. Well, yeah. We're going to do another video after this one. Okay, bye. Happy.